Hello traders, this is Prof Pozo Forex. So I think today we are going to analyze gold. So first of all, let's look at it from the weekly perspective, the weekly time frame. Clearly, the weekly time frame formed a very strong bullish engulfer. As you can see, a very strong bullish engulfer. When gold was falling, I forecast that gold bottom will be around 1803 to 1808. I think this one was posted on my TikTok channel. It was a TikTok channel. And then, so now let's look at gold. So weekly perspective, gold has formed a bullish engulfer. Let's look at the daily. Last Friday, we can clearly see last Friday, gold formed a very strong bullish candle. A very, very strong was formed on last Friday. A clear sign that gold still has the strength, the momentum to move. So what are we then expecting next? So our expectation is that clearly, as we can see, gold is approaching a resistance level that is around 1861. 1860 is approaching that resistance level. So we have to be careful of that particular resistance. So that will be the determinant as to which direction gold will move in the coming week. So when gold reaches that resistance, there are two possibilities involved. There are two things involved. One, gold will break this resistance, come back and retest it, form head and shoulder. It will form head and shoulder. So like this, gold can act like this. Let me get something like this. So gold can act something like this from this point. Gold can move to a place like this, come back, retest this level, form head and shoulder, and then move upward. That is a very clear, a very strong market structure. Another possibility is that gold can hit that resistance, come back to the bottom, form double bottom, and then move to the upside again. So these are the two things we are going to monitor in the coming week. So when gold breaks 1860, then it means that we are moving to the previous side. But in case it fails to break it and reverses, then possibly gold will come back to the bottom, the very bottom, form double bottom, and then move to the upside. So these are the things we are going to be looking at in the coming week. So take notes. Your trade setups should base on this resistance. Let's not try to move before the market. Remember, we are retail traders and we can't move the markets. Those moving the market are the central banks, institutions, and co. So the only thing we have to do is to follow their footprints, and that is the candles and then the market structure. So they are their footprints, and that is what we study. So we have to move with the market. When the market moves to the left, we follow it to the left. When it moves to the right, we follow it to the right. Let the market lead you to your destination. Our target is to make profits, and we shouldn't risk our hard-earned money. That is my target, so that we can be more profitable together. So let's look at it and see how the week will go. So my focus is that gold 60, come back, retest it, form head and shoulder, and